All right, y'all, so welcome back. Today we're going to go over this LOFTEK Aurora Starry Sky Projector, right? So I just got this in today from LOFTEK, whatever it is, I'm not really sure. I'm probably butchering, I'm sorry. So, you know, just to take a look at the box here, it's got a timer, a sleep, you know, it's basically a sleep aid, remote control, and safety switch, right? So let's just go ahead and open this thing up and see what it is. You know, you guys want to see what it looks like. You don't really care about it, right? So it comes with the user manual. I'll tell you right now, this box is pretty heavy and it's packaged real well. As you guys can see here, I'll go ahead and flip this up right here just like this, right? So in here you got the projector. It's pretty heavy, guys, I'm not gonna lie. It's definitely it's pretty solid, there's no doubt about that, right? So in here, so first we got the stand, we got the charger cable, and unlike most cell phones and everything else we buy nowadays, it actually comes with its own charger box, right? So you guys know, you know, that might be funny to you guys that nothing comes with a power block anymore, right? They just give us a line, just a power. Okay, so you can stand this up like this, I guess, or you can use the stand, which sits right in here, and it's basically magnetized, right? So that's it. So right on the side here we have all the different buttons to turn it on. So now I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I already charged this up, so I could just turn it on. Let's see, there we go. So let me turn this light off here so you guys can see right off the bat it kind of has like the same effect as like a Christmas star projector, right? Except but you could see the planet or whatever you want to call it, right? The stars, and it's really cool. I'm gonna turn the lights off so you guys could actually see this thing in action. Mason and I, we laid down last night, we put this on, we laid down, and we turned it on, and I'm telling you guys right now, he was out in like 5 minutes. Usually he, you know, staying up later than I am, but he just watched it and passed out, so that was awesome. And you guys can see the different colors, but I'm going to go ahead and put it in the middle of the room here, and we'll put it on the ceiling, and I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like from there. So I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, I have it on the ceiling here, and you can see it's got the red and green dots, and then we got the, you know, like the mist or whatever going on in the center of the screen here, right? So what I forgot to mention is it actually comes with a controller too, right? So I didn't really go over the buttons on the side of the device itself, but we're gonna go ahead and run through the remote, which is the same thing. So I could be across the room and I could put this on right here. So this is like a green and orangey kind of mystical type of thing. It's like clouds, right? Really, really cool. If you guys just stare at it, it's kind of trippy, to be honest with you. It's definitely interesting. I like it. I could just stare at this for hours and just chill out, right? Then we can go to the purple and blue, which is really, really nice. You know, you guys can see this. I definitely like that one. Then it's like a blue and green mix, which is pretty cool, right? Then you can do like the orangey with the green, which is nice. Now this is, you could turn that off and then you just have the green and red stars, right? And you can turn it back on, turn it off. And then, let's see. I know we can turn these off. Okay, so we can make it dimmer. So see how I made the green like basically fade away? So it's got different settings on that, right? So this is just a red. Let's go ahead and get the red all the way down here. Let's see. Okay, so you got that's the timer. So when you hit the timer, it's got 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and 120 minutes. So every time you click it, it's going to just flash, right? That's 30, that's 60, that's 120, right? So, of course, you got your power button. And you can slow it down. See how slow it's moving? And then you could speed it up, right? So you can just keep going. Guys, see the difference here? So that's as fast as it goes right here, which is fine. I mean, that's pretty cool. And then let's see what else we can do with this thing. So we can bring the green back on, and we can make the green super bright. You guys see the difference there? So that's pretty cool. And then the reds, we can make them really bright, or we can take them out of the picture all completely, and then it's just all green. And then we can just take the dots off, and then we can go back to just the aura type of effect, right? So that's pretty cool. I really like this one, guys. That one's really nice, especially if you like falling asleep and you just like dozing off and you're just staring at this. I mean, that's really, really cool. You know, if you guys got an issue falling asleep or whatever, I promise you, like if your kids have issues falling asleep, this really worked well for Mason last night. And he woke up, he was actually, you know, chippy and happy. So, you know, maybe all these lights really do play effect in our sleep patterns and stuff like that. But as you guys can see, the different colors here, I just switched through them. But yeah, I mean, all in all, you could just do red, right? So this is gonna switch from like red, green, blue. Oh, that one's cool. That's a rainbow. I haven't even seen that one yet, so that was kind of cool to me. And you can play with them a little bit, right? So this went, it's fading in and out. You know, it's coming in, getting real dark, getting real bright. You know, so that's pretty cool. Overall, I definitely would recommend this thing. You know, just in my personal opinion, I think it's well built. It's heavy duty. It's definitely a solid machine. So definitely check them out. I'll leave the link down in the description for LOFTEK. And they actually sent me another set of lights I'm going to be doing a video on tomorrow. So be on the lookout for that one as well. That's for outside lights. But, you know, that's it, guys. I'm going to wrap up this video. And, you know, as always, I hope everybody's staying safe. And, you know, I really appreciate you guys coming back. Hit that like button and leave me some comments if you don't mind. I greatly appreciate it. You know, let me know how I'm doing on the channel. And that's about it, guys. I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.